Well, after quite a lot of content with the 4th gen Eclipse, it is a sad day because it's been sold. The owner is coming to pick it up today, but with the deal of selling this car because he is moving a couple hours out of his original town, there is something cool that he tossed in free of charge, no money, $4 grand for the Eclipse, and the car I'm about to show you once it pulls up. If you didn't see it already, this is going to be in a couple videos coming up. This is my new daily, as this thing is taking up quite a lot of my life. I won't go into detail, but we're moving on. This is not a project car, of course. However, we will be doing some small things to this, like the typical 8th gen sun fade and such like that. But we're gonna dig into that with another video. Now, let's just wait for him to come pick the car up, and then I'll show you guys what we got. Entering the Rust Bucket Mazda B car, not because it's a B model, but it literally, it just looks like a B. This here is a Mazda Protege wagon, and I will show the interior first because it definitely has been through some things. If you open it up, GTR, do not mind this. As you can tell, it's not a GTR, and I assure you it does not have an RB26 in it. Very interesting interior. Very, very interesting. Let me show you how clean the engine bay is, though. Decent tires and not too terrible rims, I would say. Here we have besides the indestructible Honda engines, Mazda's version of exactly that. Quote, indestructible. These engines, I promise you, if you maintain them, they will last. It's got a jank cold air intake. It's got catless headers. In the back, you'll see a lot more of that good old Mazda rust. The rockers are genuinely gone. Going to the back, you got some aftermarket taillights and a massive fart can. Oh, that exhaust genuinely sounds horrible. Holy cow. Question remains though, how does it drive? I'm honestly excited to drive this little thing around. It's going to catch eyes, not eyes that look at it and go, dang, that's sick. You're gonna wonder what bumblebees roaming around their town. Right. Signal light is on. Well, the clutch feels very, very squishy, but I guess I came from an Eclipse, so it feels different. Reverse. All right. Hopper in first. Oh, that transmission is butter. The exhaust sounds absolutely horrible, by the way. Fifth gear. Oh my goodness, it sounds